bebop, and she's biting. This is the only bird in the world that I know that is a water baby. She likes the water. I don't know why. How many birds you know like the water? Water. How many? How many? I don't think there's no bird. Look at her. She's in the water. Oh! The water girl. Woo, she's a water baby. Water girl. Water baby. We just finished the Ati-Atian and Boracay Day in Kalibu. We've been at the Ati-Atian all week. Activity Saturday and Sunday coming up in Kalibu. Noise at the Ati-Atian, and we want to take a rest from the, and so I need to spend some time in the ocean. Summer's coming. It's a few typhoons this year, so we had a little bit of jam. Now we're gonna have the summer.
And I'm so